Yo, what's up, guys? And today I am going to be doing some singing. This is my voice. So, yeah, I'm an alien, so you don't know what gender I am. I'm nervous. Alright. Oh. Alright. Loving and fighting, accusing, denying. I can't imagine the world with you gone. Settled in the chaos the demons were made of. I can't so lost if you left me alone. You locked yourself in the bathroom, lying on the floor as I break through. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me. Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. You take your hand, I'll make it right. I swear I love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. Look is the highway, the tide is behind me. Headway the nightmare I can't keep me from. You don't listen again, the still isn't fading. I've seen the shock and the chill in my bones. Nailed you away on the table. Pacing back and forth as you stay still. Now pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming? Please don't leave me. Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hand, I'll make it right. Swear I love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. I'm nervous. I don't wanna let go. I know I'm not that strong. I just wanna hear you saying, baby, let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, I just wanna take you home. Please tell me your thoughts in comments. Hold on, I still need you. You haven't guessed this is Hold On. Come back, I still need you. By the way, I'm actually making a gacha story on Hold On. So, yeah. Right, so the next one is Someone You Loved. Whew. This is not in, by the way. I went under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. It's all for nothing, cause you got away, it's driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, just a need to hold. It's easy to say, it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Another day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was kinda used to being someone you loved. I messed up. And this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all for nothing, daily God will live with something without you. Fuck, I messed up. And then somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, doesn't know how it feels. It's easy to say, it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you know me escape. Another day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was kinda used to be someone you love. And I couldn't close my eyes, but it hurts sometimes when I fall into your arms. Then with a different sound, it would turn back around. Another day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was kinda used to be someone you loved. Another day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was kinda used to be someone you loved. Let the guard down, and then you pull my rug. I was kinda used to be someone you loved. Alright, next one is gonna have music to it, because I've been doing this with my headphones in, so, and you guys have not had music, so I'm gonna do this one with the music. And yeah guys, I'm doing this off my PS4. I spent in the room and she knows me, almost is of me, and I can guarantee that she's coming through a girlfriend. Not to mention that her boyfriend hates me. It's not my fault she looked at me. It's not my fault, you can't compare. We through this, cause I do exist. Nothing happens here this time. Guys don't like me, these guys, I don't like me, these guys, I don't like me cause I go. Friends do go like me, these guys, they don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause they go. Friends do they go friends. Let me explain the situation. Everybody's hating for the same reason. She said she was single, just was single, and I just messed up. It's not my fault she looked at me. It's not my fault. You can't compare. You're through with this, cause I do exist. You don't pick up his up, she's mine. Guys, they don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause I messed up. Bad guys like me, these guys, they don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause their girlfriends do. Sorry for messing up. Right. I'm gonna focus. That's a girl. Guys don't like me, these guys, they don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause they girlfriends do. Guys like me, these guys don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause they girlfriends do. Like me, these guys, they don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause they girlfriends do. Girl like me, these guys, they don't like me, these guys, they don't like me cause they girlfriends do. Do 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 do. Because the girlfriends do 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 the girlfriends. Okay, I'm very nervous, so yes, I messed up a bit. So please leave your thoughts in the comments. I know I'm a bad singer. For now, your boy, the mysterious alien, is gone.